being bothered by the please insert the last disk of the multi-volume set and click OK to continue error message. In this video, we will show you how to fix this error in 5 ways. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Fix 1. Remove hidden folder from the drive. The error message "please insert the last disk of the multi-volume set" can be caused by that. Zip folders in the external drive that is connected to your computer. After deleting those zip folders, the error message disappears. Open File Explorer and click on the View tab in the top ribbon. Then, make sure that the checkbox associated with hidden items is checked. With hidden items enabled, open up each drive and look for any semi-translucent files that end with the zip extension. If you find any, right-click on it and choose Delete to remove it from the drive. Repeat step 2 with every drive that appears inside File Explorer until you've made sure that there are no hidden folders that might be causing the issue left. Reboot your computer and see if the compressed zip folders error returns when you open File Explorer at the next startup. If you're still encountering the same issue, move down to the next methods. Fix 2. Recover data and format the USB drive. Please insert the last disk error usually occurs if your USB flash drive is not formatted correctly. So formatting the USB drive might be the straightest way to fix this error. But the problem here is if you format the drive, you will have to remove everything on it, including all the hidden files and your important data that you cannot afford to lose. But you don't have to fret about this issue anymore because Tenorshare 4DDiG helps you access the error drive and recover data from it. To recover data from the USB drive, download and install Tenorshare 4DDiG on your computer. Launch the program and connect the USB drive. After it is detected by 4DDiG, select the drive and then click Start to proceed. Now wait for the program to scan out all your data on the USB drive. Select target files and then click Recover to save them to a safe location. After successfully recovering your data from your USB drive using Tenorshare 4DDiG, you can now format your USB using the following steps. Open the File Explorer and select the Devices and Drives option. Right-click on the flash drive and select the Format option. From the Format USB drive window, make sure that the file system is set to FAT32 and check the Quick Format option. Then click on the Start option and wait until your USB formatting is completed. Fix 3. Reinstall the USB controllers. Some users have managed to resolve this issue by updating the USB controllers drivers. This is all done through Device Manager. Right-click on Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller. Right-click on the host controller and click Update Driver. At the next screen, click on Search automatically for updated driver software and wait for the process to complete. Once Windows Update finishes installing the new driver version, reboot your computer and see if the compressed zipped folders error is resolved at the next startup. If Windows Update finds that you already have the latest version of the USB host controller, right-click and choose Uninstall Driver instead. Then, reboot your computer to let Windows Update reinstall the drivers at the next startup. Fix 4. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Windows Start menu. Then choose the Settings option. On Setting window, click on Update and Security, and follow the instructions present on the screen to finish the whole troubleshooting. If a Windows Troubleshooter detects any problem, it will fix it automatically. Fix 5. Run System File Checker. Windows comes with a built-in system file checking tool that can scan the system for missing or corrupted system files and replace it with new files. Search CMD and open Command Prompt as Administrator. In the command prompt, type sfc/scano and press Enter. A system scan can take a little time, so you will have to wait till the file check or detects and fixes any corrupt or missing files. This is all about to fix. Please insert the last disk of the multi-volume set and click OK to continue. To recover data from the error drive before formatting it, we strongly recommend you to use Tenorshare 4DDiG. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.